guys, so today's video is featuring Curlsqueen's hair company. They sent me 2 bundles of light yaki Microlink extensions, and they also sent me a Microlink extensions install pack. So in that install kit came a bonnet, as you already saw, a brush, pliers to close our beads, 2 install hooks, a rat tooth comb, 3 hair clamps, sticker pads for flyaways, and silicone beads. Guys, I literally love this hair. It's so soft and the hair is so thick, shiny, and voluminous. I've had this hair in for like 2 weeks and only had very minimal shedding, to the point where it's like I didn't even notice it. And the fact that they send you an install kit with everything you need in it, guys, chef's kiss. Okay guys, so here are the products that I'm using to shampoo, blow dry, and straighten my hair. Okay, and as you can see, this is what my hair looks like when it's straightened. And guys, this hair literally matches so well with my hair, it's like ridiculous. Okay, so starting out, I'm just going to be sectioning off the leave out that I'm going to have for my hair. So since I am doing a middle and a side part, also a half down, I will be having a little bit more hair left out. So starting out, I'm going to have 2 braids on the side by my ear, hair left out in the back, and hair left out in the middle of my head, as you will see on the screen. So after you have your hair sectioned out for your leave out, you're just going to be parting your hair exactly how you would if you were getting box braids. So here I am just parting my hair and making sure that it's even. Okay, so starting out with our first box, we want to make sure that we don't have too much hair in that box, because if you do, it won't fit through the bead. So with my bead already on my pulling hook, by sliding it down to the bottom of it, I'm just going to pull my hair right through that and pull the bead directly onto my hair. Then I'm just going to be pushing my Itip right through the bead. And then lastly, we'll be taking our pliers and just clamping the bead shut, and make sure not to clamp too hard. Don't worry guys, I'm going to be showing you how to do this like 3 or 4 more times throughout the video. So this is what my hair looks like halfway done, and guys, I just love it. Like, it looks so natural, and I can tell when I start doing my ponytails, it's gonna look so good. So starting out on the front part of my hair, I am starting with a middle part, and then I'm going to be parting that back portion of the front of my hair for my half up, half down leave out. So that's what's going to be covering the back. Guys, leave out as much hair as you think you need to cover the eye tips, because my hair is a lot thinner, so I have to leave out a lot more of my hair. So once I sectioned off the back portion of my leave out and then the top portion of my leave out, I'm just going to start with my eye tips in the center of it. So it's kind of like a box that's surrounding where the eye tip is going of leave out. Okay, so on this side, I'm leaving out a bigger portion of leave out since I am doing a middle and a side part. So I'm parting that section into like 3, and the middle portion of that section I'm going to be adding eye tip extensions, and those other 2 sections are just leave out for when I'm flipping it to a middle part and when I'm flipping it to a side part. Okay guys, so I also wanted to show you another way that you can put your eye tip on. So you're going to use the tiny crochet needle that they sent you, and you're going to slide your bead on it, and once it's on it, you're going to take your hair, the little box section, and you're just going to twist it. Well, at least that's what I do. So I twist it so that I can just make sure there are no flyaway hairs, and then I open up my crochet needle and I just hook it on my hair and close it, and then I just slide my bead up. And then once I do that, I just do everything that I've told you before. I slip my eye tip extension in through the bead, and then I take my pliers and I clamp it shut, making sure not to clamp it too hard because you don't want to break off any of your hair. Okay guys, so here's the finished product. You literally can't even tell that this is weave in my hair, and I definitely recommend using this hair for Microlinks. There is a coupon code in my description box so you can save money on your purchase from Curlsqueen. Okay guys, so you made it to the end of my video. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.